Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has highlighted the severe challenges currently facing Manipur, citing ongoing political and social unrest as significant factors hindering the state's progress. In addition to this issue, the state has been struck twice by floods and a devastating hailstorm, exacerbating the situation. Addressing the pressing need for resources, CM Singh emphasized, Manipur is suffering due to the prevailing situation as well as we have met 2 times flood and hailstorm, so adequate funds will be available to regain the development momentum of the state. On the other hand, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget for 2024-25, providing key financial aids, announcing plans for development of Northeastern region. To boost financial inclusion in the northeastern states, the Indian government has unveiled plans to set up 100 new branches of India Post Payments Bank across the region. The announcement was made by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman during the Union Budget presentation for 2024-25, he added.